EXL.com, and we are here with Rudy Soria. He is doing the laser motherfucking two-stretch motherfucking Rudy.
I was trying to have a baby here, what the fuck? It's giving birth. Where are you, Nick? Where are you guys? Reset. Oh, fuck. Alright, well then.
I can't. Oh. We're out here every fucking day.